Hello, my name is Lyttle. I'm the Managing Director for Seattle-Tacoma International Airport, or SCA as we like to call it. I'm glad for the opportunity to join via video. I'm here to share a tour of the health protocols at SCA to keep travel safe. I will also share more about our new international arrival facility that will be opened in 2021. I would like to express my appreciation to the Embassy of the United States of America for providing the Port of Seattle with the opportunity to showcase what Washington State is doing for a safe return to travel. Specifically, Minister Consular for Commercial Affairs, Rosemary Gallant, and the Embassy's Specialist for Travel and Tourism, Crystal Dennis, thank you. In January of 2020, our airport launched a new brand and a new promise to create an elevated travel experience that reflects the Pacific Northwest. It was supposed to be a monumental year at SCA, ushering in a new era of customer-centered travel with better service, facilities, and amenities. What looked like a year of exceptional advancement for one of the nation's fastest growing airports has become instead a sobering lesson in agility and the power of good planning. But we roll up our sleeves, and our team at Seattle-Tacoma International Airport is ready for you in our new normal. Fly Healthy at SCA is our layered, comprehensive action plan to ensure your health and well-being. To start, we require face coverings, implemented physical distancing, escalated cleaning and disinfecting, and added more touchless technologies. You can expect things to be different the next time you travel. Come see what's changed at SCA. Safety and well-being comes first at SCA. We added plastic protective barriers that buffer interactions between travelers and airport employees throughout the terminal. We installed signage for reminders and spacing to honor physical distancing. It is 6 feet or 2 meters of space from others. We added hundreds of hand sanitizer stations throughout the terminal for your use. Download the SCA app with your interactive map to find the location nearest you. We spent more than 5,000 hours each week cleaning and disinfecting the buses and terminals at SCA. Now that includes frequent disinfection with medical-grade cleaning products, especially of high-touch surfaces like buttons, handrails, and countertops. Here at the security checkpoints, our custodial teams are continuously sanitizing all the checkpoints, such as the bins, countertops, benches, and surrounding surfaces. Additionally, we reconfigured the lines to ensure travelers can maintain physical distancing. Procedures from the TSA advise you to keep possession of your boarding pass, practice physical distancing, and keep your mask on. Each dining and retail tenant at SCA developed a COVID-19 operational readiness plan to show how services are provided while limited close interactions. This includes physical distancing, cleaning and sanitation, and personal protective equipment. Our airline partners are also working hard to keep travelers safe with thorough disinfection after each flight and other protocols on the aircraft. Like SCA, face coverings are required by all airlines. Please contact your airlines if you have questions about that part of your journey. And finally, we require you to continue to wear face coverings as you exit the terminal, pick up your luggage, and access ground transportation. That includes going into the parking garage, a shuttle bus to the rent-a-car facility, or grabbing a taxi, Uber, Lyft, or Wings. We're ready for a busier terminal and a better times ahead. As you're ready to travel, we look forward to the moment we welcome you back to SCA. Now, after an outfit change into personal protective equipment because I'm in an active construction site, I'm excited to share with you what that welcome back to SCA experience will look like next year. I'm standing on the 780-foot long and 85-foot high aerial walkway for a new international arrival facility. Arriving passengers will cross this on the way from their arrival gate to the Grand Hall. This will be the world's longest structure over an active taxi lane once it opens in 2021. We're excited about this aerial walkway because SCA is a gateway to the world, and we ought to offer travelers a welcome like this. We have the advantage of being equidistant to Asia and Europe, providing convenient access to multiple locations around the world, as well as numerous connections beyond. SCA leapt ahead of larger cities to attract the services of non-stop routes due to the growth of the region and the travel demands of major businesses like Amazon, Microsoft, and Boeing, as well as leisure travelers. It will significantly enhance the arrival experience, advance the Pacific Northwest as a leading tourism and business gateway, and serve the traveling public well into the future. Let me show you the Grand Hall. Come on. This is the Grand Hall, a 450,000 square foot space for baggage claim and custom processing. The International Arrival Facility is the most complex capital development program in the history of our 71-year-old airport. It is more spacious and with dramatically expanded space for passengers in passport control and baggage claim waiting area. We're increasing the size and number of bag claim carousels from 4 to 7, and they will nearly triple in size. There will be less waiting in the IF. We're increasing passenger processing efficiency by more than double to 2,600 passengers per hour. We're enhancing technologies for faster passport check clearance. This facility will also reduce the minimum passenger connect time from 90 to 75 minutes. Adding this space was critical prior to COVID-19 because we had outgrown the existing facility from the 1970s. But it is even more crucial now as we will open this new international arrival facility still amid the pandemic. Our new massive footprint will give passengers the needed elbow room to honor physical distancing and safely move through SCA. Lastly, the IAF is green. As part of our emphasis on environmental stewardship and sustainability, the project is designed to achieve LEED version 4 Silver certification from the United States Green Building Council. Thank you so much for sharing your time with me today. Be well and hope to see you soon at SCA.